Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce lead to opportunity conversion settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Salesforce and log into your account. Go to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type lead settings. Click on lead settings from the drop-down list. In the lead settings page, look for the lead conversion section. Check the options available for customizing lead conversion. Enable any features you want for lead to opportunity conversion. To disable any features you do not need, uncheck the corresponding boxes. Next, scroll down to find the Opportunity Settings section. Review the default opportunity settings presented. You can customize the opportunity settings as per your business needs. Ensure to set the default record type if required. If you wish to have custom fields on the opportunity, add them here. After making your adjustments, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Return to the lead object and navigate to the tab where your leads are listed. Select a lead to convert by clicking on its name. Click on the Convert button, which is usually found at the top. In the conversion dialog, review the information being pulled into the opportunity. Make any necessary adjustments to the fields before finalizing the conversion. Click the Convert button to complete the process. Once converted, your lead will now appear as an opportunity in Salesforce. Review the newly created opportunity to ensure all details are correct. With these steps, your lead to opportunity conversion settings should be successfully activated and utilized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.